This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi Melvin.
Hi Nanda, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, yeah. Everyone's going to die in India. Everyone, because that stupid prime minister. He sent
Yeah.
medicines to the states. Everything is sent to US now.
Okay. Actually, the Trump given medicines, na?
Huh?
The Trump given medicines
He's
India.
given no. He send Modi sent medicines to US now. The
Oh,
hydrochloro something.
yeah. 1 second, na? I will close the door. Yeah. So where is our friend Surya is not joining. So had lunch.
No, yeah. I'll finish in another 2 hours. Then I go home and then.
Okay, okay. 1 second, I will call to this Surya. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Melvin. Today we discuss
Yeah.
about the reports and dashboards.
Okay.
Reports and dashboards. And today we have taken one session, normal session to Canadian woman. Actually, she is a medicine MBBS.
Okay.
Hi Melvin, how are you?
Good, Surya. How are you?
Good.
So in Canada, in Indians, they have not practiced to this in. They have no jobs in hospital, no?
Right, right.
MBBS.
Yeah, they are giving $2,000, man.
$2,000
Yeah,
per month.
In
for
US as
international
well.
patient who lost their jobs.
US again, people on H1B who've been laid out, yeah, they've been asked to leave.
To India?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Sorry, Melvin.
H1B people
Uh,
who who whose visas are maybe visas are not getting this, or they are
okay.
asked to, or maybe they are losing their jobs. They've been asked to go back to India.
Okay, okay.
No renewal for them.
No renewal.
Mhm.
So my dreams is completely in collapse now.
A lot of people with kids and all, who are in school,
Okay.
everyone. So even if a kid was born here, he has a US
You,
passport,
yes, yeah.
but then he can come once he's 18 and above.
Okay.
Surya, for the next 10 minutes, 9, sometime I'm going to put you on mute. My boss's
Yeah, okay.
wife has come here. She's specially come here to throw garbage, I guess, from 20 miles.
Okay, okay. Oh,
This old lady.
okay, okay. I start the class, okay?
Okay.
One second. Surya, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్స్ కి?
అవి పంపి బ్రో. ఇది ఏమంటారు?
చేయలేదు. సండే సాటర్డే సండే నేను చేస్తారా?
ఓకే బ్రో, ఓకే బ్రో. ఇట్స్ ఓకే బ్రో. It's okay, bro. Thanks, Nanda.
Mine is last, right, today?
Sorry? Yeah,
Last
today
day,
is the
right,
last. Yeah, today is the last.
And for Surya, another 1 month.
Why 1 month?
Surya has to do more training, right?
Yes, man.
Awesome, Surya.
Oh, fine. So, what is the reports? Reports. So better. Sorry.
Reports are reports.
No. One definition is there.
Data in an organized tabular.
Yes. There are the 4 types. In Salesforce, there are the 4 types.
Okay.
One tabular report. Second one is a summary report, and third one is a matrix. And fourth one is the joint report. These are the 4 reports. Generally, in the report, we mainly be using on the when the sales or when our products or when our customer service. Okay, in the last year, how we can get the profits? What is our sales going on? What is our quarterly sales, profits, loss, and where we get back to our products? These are the component to this will display on using on the reports. Okay. So in Salesforce they have the 4 types of reports.
Okay. 10 minutes I am putting on mute. Okay, the phone is not
Sure.
Yeah.
Actually, some disturbance is there. Okay. So these are the 4 types of the reports. Okay. Tabular report, summary report, matrix report, and the joint report. Okay. See, you see this one, report session, reports. Every in the Salesforce, every data will be stored in the, where we can store in the data. Surya, in Salesforce, in data where we store it?
No?
Salesforce లో డేటాని మనం ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తాం?
Object లో.
Correct. Objects. In reports and dashboards also called as the one standard objects. Reports and the dashboards. Okay. Before going to this in the reports and dashboards, first of all you create on the report types. You see this one, report types. See, report types of user to build a framework to report wizard. Which users can see and create the customize the reports. You see this one, Surya and Melvin. This is the one framework. Report types is the one framework. Okay, one framework for the users then create and customize the reports. Okay. Surya, అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yeah, bro.
See here, these are the only one type of report is there. All custom report types. This is the standard folder. This is the standard folder. If you want to create any new one, just create new one. Okay. Just create new one. Then filter on it. This is the list view section. List view section. List view section means whatever the list views is there, this is the fields. This is what fields. Okay. Label, description, category, deployed, created by, created date. If you want to modify some more things, just click on the edit. Just click on the edit and add one more name. Okay. Date conversion. Dismiss. Just click on the save. See, you see this one, name. Name field will be added, na? Name field, label, description, category, deployed, created by alias, and created date. And created date. Clear, right? Melvin and Surya.
Yes, bro.
So, why we using in the report types means it is a one framework. It is a one framework to create and customize our reports. To create and customize our reports. You see this one, new custom report. These are the primary object means standard and the custom objects. Standard and the custom objects. See, students. See, student is there. Next, transaction, tuitions is there. Users, standard objects and custom objects. Whatever in the organization contains, all objects will be available in the primary object. In the primary object. Clear, right?
Yes.
So, account report type, description. Okay. Store in the category means on which folder you want to store. On which folder you want to store. These all are the custom, these all are the standard report types. Okay. These all are the standard report folders. Report folders. Okay. These are the standard report folders. Means predefinedly Salesforce created some standard reports. These are the standard reports. Okay. If you want to create our own report, if you want to create our own folder, okay, go to the reports and create new folder. I will show you. See, now this folder I will show to these other reports. You see this one, deployment. See here, deployment status, it have the two things is there: in deployment and in deployed. In deployment and deployed. What is the difference between in development and the deployed? In development and the deployed. Any difference? I mean, in field section, if you past I created on the fields, at the moment I explain you not in development and the in deployed. In development and the deployed. Surya and Melvin.
Yes.
So what is the difference between in development and the in deployed?
Bro, sir, repeat it.
ఏది రిపీట్ చేయాలి?
Yeah.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి రిపీట్ చేయాలి సూర్య?
నువ్వేం అడిగినా అర్థం కాలే.
What is the difference between in development and the deployed? In development and the deployed. In development means if you choose in the in development radio button, in development radio button, okay, only who created the reports, only that particular user can access the report. That particular user can access the report. This report. If you click on the deployed, if you choose on the deployed option, not in Shivanand Kumar, rest of all users in the organization, whatever the users is there, all users can access in the report type. Can access in the report type. Clear, right? Melvin and Surya. What is the difference between in development and the deployed?
Development ఏమో only we can see, deployed ఏమో ఇద్దరు access.
ఎవరైనా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారు. Anyone can access. Whatever users is there in the organization, in the sales organization, all users can access. If you choose this one, only particular user who created this report and the particular user can access. Okay. Click on the next. Click on the next. See here the primary object. Account is the primary object. Account is the primary object. But in that account contains some child objects, is there? No? Account contains some child objects, is there? Right? Contacts, opportunity, activities. Clear, right? Surya.
Yes.
So click to related object. Okay, click to related object. Okay, choose the object. These all are the account. These are the account related objects. Related objects. Okay, opportunity. If you want to add some more, just click on the B2C. This is the opportunity related object. Opportunities related objects. Okay, products. Just click on the save. Surya, అర్థమైందా? This account, this A contains the, in the account, the opportunity is the child of the account. The opportunity is the child of the account. In the product is the child of the opportunity.
A అనేదేమో పేరెంట్ అంతేగా.
అంతే. Okay. See here, this is the fields available for reports. Field available for the reports. Okay. See, in the account contains 61 fields. In the account contains 61 fields. In the opportunity contains 36 fields. In the product contains 15 fields. But in all the fields you want to display in the reports. In all the fields you want to display on the reports. No, right? Say yes or no.
అర్థం కాలే బ్రో.
In 61 fields you want to display in the reports. In 61 fields. Not every field is to display on the in the report type, right? Only for the particular name, year, amount, what is the status, who organized these accounts. These things will be mandatory. These things will be mandatory. Am I right? See, Surya. The account contains 61 fields. 61 fields. Okay. But in every field is not useful for the reports, right? Every field is not displayed to this in the field, right? So only we need for the name, country, and what is the amount. And what is the amount, and amount, country, amount, and phone number. Okay, and phone number, email, and product. What is the product? These things will be enough for the reports. Generally, this one is mandatory, right? Yes, sir. Generally, these things is the mandatory. When we show on any reports to this our particular concerned person to this is our quarterly sales. This is our quarterly sales report. This is our half yearly sales report. Our product information. Are you understand what is what I'm saying?
Yes, bro.
So if you want to choose what fields you want to display on the report types, what we fields are display in the report types, just you go for the edit layout.
Okay.
Just you go for the edit layout. These all are the fields. These all are the available fields in the account object. And this is the opportunity object, and this is the product object. Okay, product is the child to this opportunities, and opportunity is the child to this account. Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
So I don't need for the NCIS code. There is NCIS code and NCIS description. I don't need for this NCIS description and operation hours. Okay, and SLA. Okay, trade style. I don't need, and the trigger symbol. I don't need. Okay, so only for these fields I need for it. On these fields I need for it. Clear, right? Just if you want to any add for this, just add in.
Okay.
Otherwise, just remove. This is completely the drag and drop tool. Completely in the drag and drop tool. Okay. If you want to clear on the opportunity fields, just check on the opportunity fields. I don't want for the current generation. Okay. Current generator and diversity. There is a diversity. Okay. This one. Has line item. Okay, has line item. I don't need. And synchronized quota. I don't need. Okay. And if you go further in the products, the product fields, I don't need for the product entry, price book entry, date discount line item. Okay. If you want anything else, you want to add it. Otherwise, just remove it. Just remove it. Clear, right? Surya and Melvin.
Hey, this report section that you're teaching, I guess the client would also give you a thing about the layout, about what he needs in the reports, I guess.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
At the moment, you want to clear on it. You want
Okay.
to clear on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Just click on the save. Okay. Account report type is created. Account report type is created. Next, go for the reports section. Okay. I already told you, no? For example, I created one table. See, this is the name. This is what city. Okay. This is course. This is the amount. Okay. Amount. Clear it. So, Diva, yes, course, Salesforce. That's easy. The amount is 10,000. and Melvin USA same SFDC. Okay. Okay. Next, Surya. Canada. Java. Okay. Python. Next, USA. Java. 6,000. Same. Canada. Java. Okay. Another USA. And SFDC. Okay. See, what is a tabular report means? What is a tabular report means? It shows a list of records in the form of a table. Okay, this shows the list of records in the form of a table. Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
When the end user or when the user given some criteria, some criteria, some criteria to satisfy that criteria, it shows a list of records in the form of table. For example, in that when criteria course is equal to S of DC. Course equal to S of DC. What is the records will display? Shiva, Melvin, and Bharat. Correct, right? Shiva
Yep.
and Melvin and Bharat. Why? These three candidates contains the when course equal to S of DC.
SFDC.
And course equal to S of DC. And this form is called as a tabular form. Tabular form.
Okay.
Clear, right? Okay. So next go for the summary report. Next go for the summary report. Okay. Simple form. Grouping. Okay. Grouping of a records. Grouping of a records in row wise. In row wise is called as is known as summary report. Grouping of a record in a row wise. In a row wise is called as a summary report. Clear, right? I will show you how to create the tabular report, summary report, and matrix report and joint report.
Okay.
Okay. And matrix report means grouping of a report, in row wise and column wise. Is known as a matrix report. Okay. Summary report means grouping of a records in a row wise is called as a summary report. Grouping of a records in the row wise and the column wise is called as a matrix report.
Okay.
Joint report means to join the one or more reports in one report is known as a joint report. For example, in a company, they displayed on the quarterly, half yearly, correct? Every quarterly they display some reports. Every quarterly they display some reports, right? So every quarter means 3 months, right? 3
3
months or
months,
4 months?
like 3.
3 months. So 3 4 that one. So 4 reports it generated.
Like a
4 reports
dashboard
it
report.
generated. Yeah, 4 reports.
Mm-hmm.
Means quarter 1 and quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Quarter 1. One second. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See, this is the quarter 1 and quarter 3, and this is what quarter 4. Correct. This is the 2019 report. They have the 4 quarters. These 4 quarters completely join in one report. That is the 2019 report.
Right.
2019 report is called as a
Okay.
joint report. Clear, right?
Mm-hmm.
More than one report. To join the report is called as a joint report. Clear, right? What is the reports? Tabular report. When the user given some particular criteria, when the criteria is satisfied, to show the records in a table format. Okay. Next, summary report. Grouping of records in a row wise is called as a summary report. What is a matrix report? Grouping of records in a row wise and the column wise is called as a matrix report. Surya, okay na? అర్థమైందా?
Yeah.
Clear, right?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. So go to the reports. Go to the reports. These are the folders. Standard folders. Standard folders. You see this one, unified public reports. Unified public reports. In the unified public reports means one second. Okay. Vendor reports. Okay. You already know about the some concepts like email templates. In the email templates, what are the two folders is there? One is the
One is
no
personal,
issues.
other one is client.
Yes. Means if you store these reports, if you store any reports in the unified public reports, okay, all users can access on the reports. Simple. All users can access on the reports in the unified public reports. Okay, my personal custom reports contains only which user is created the report. Only that person can access the reports. Only that person can access the report. Okay. Okay, now the unified public report contains, if you created any report, all users will be accessed. But if you store in the my personal custom reports, only which user is created the reports, only that person can access the report.
Okay.
Same my personal dashboards also. Same. Only which person is used to create the dashboards, only that person can access the dashboards. Rest of the other users can't access. In the user content system administrator profile also it can't be accessed. It can't be accessed. Clear it? Unified public reports and the custom my personal custom reports. If you want to create our own custom report, our custom folder, you see this one. This one folder. New report folder. Okay. EDU service report. Okay. Just click on the save. Just click on the save. If you want to create any our custom reports, just using on the EDU service. Say Ardhamena.
Yeah, bro.
Melvin, have any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. All are in free mood now, so they all are playing some games.
Who?
My friends.
In your room?
No, not room. They in my hometown.
Okay.
In online games.
Ah,
Like
online.
Ludo. Ludo, some other games. Oh God. One of my girlfriend and my girlfriend knows Surya. These are the so many times.
Okay.
Fine. So let's create on the one report. And one more thing, just remember this point. It is a very important point. Okay. See, I will show you. In every standard object, we can access in the reports. Every standard object, we can access on the report. But
Right.
if you created any custom objects, these are the custom objects, right? Student, professor, department, extracurriculum activities, tuitions. Okay. These are the custom objects, right? So if you go for the tuitions, go to the field section. Okay. Here is the object. You see this one. allow reports.
Hmm.
If you not enable this one, you can't access on the report in the report section. You can't access. You see, new report. Okay. Uh, opportunity. New reports is not there. Just click on this one. Allow reports. You see extra curriculum activities and extra curriculum activity history funds. But why I'm not getting the student? Student. Can I get? Um, First we see, okay, opportunities, create. This is a report builder. This is what report builder. Okay.
Okay.
This is the report builder. Means in the report builder, we can create the reports. We can create our reports. Okay. These are the fields. These are the fields. Okay. Fields, related fields also. Related list fields. Related list object fields. Related list object fields. Either parent or the child. Opportunity and the account and the contact. Okay. These all are the fields.
Okay.
Clear, right? So I want to create the one report, tabular report. I want to create one tabular report. You see this one, these fields, and this is the filter section. This is what filter section. If you want to add one more filter, one more data field, you can add on it. You can add on it.
Okay.
So this is the some show opportunities and anything probability, all the things. Okay. So I need for the close date all equals to some fields. Okay. Close date and last activity, created date, account last activity, created date. Okay. One second. Huh? Okay. So close date, all time. See, these are the reports. These are the reports. On which format? Tabular format. By default, if you want to create any report, by default, it can be shown in the tabular format. It can be shown in the tabular format. Clear? Melvin and Surya, are you understand,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Any doubts or any confusions? Any confusion?
No.
No, right? Okay, fine. So if you first of all you understand one thing. By default, if you created any report, it can be shown in the tabular format. It can be shown in the tabular format. After our business requirement, we can modify the reports into the summary reports or the matrix report or the joint report. Okay. So these are the reports. These are the reports. But I don't need for this all the things. Okay. Just drag and drop on it. Just drag and drop on it. Simple. Already told you now, Salesforce is completely in the drag and drop. Opportunity owner, I don't need. Owner role, I don't need. Phone name, I don't need. You know, next step, I don't need. Only these things I want to show in the report. These things I want to show in the report. Clear?
Yeah.
And I have one scenario. You see this one amount. You see amount $7,000, $15,000, $1,25,000, $2,20,000, $85,000. You see this one amount. I want my scenario is who have $50,000, who have the greater than $50,000. He is the high, low, medium. Okay, he is the low. Sorry, he is the medium. He is the medium. Okay, see how to achieve it. See, less than 50 is the low. Okay, greater than 50. Okay, greater than 50 is the medium. Okay, 50 greater than to 1 lakh. Okay, is the height. In the above 1 lakh, is the excellent. Is the excellent. Clear, right?
Yes.
So how to achieve on it? Let's see. Go to the report folder. You see this one, bucket the field. Bucket this field. Just click on the bucket. Amount range. Okay, amount range. Okay, here less than or equal to 50,000 is the low, right? Low. Okay, and greater than 50,000 to 1 lakh is the medium. Okay, and this one is the excellent. This one is the above 1 lakh is the excellent. Above 1 lakh is the excellent. Clear, right? Surya and Melvin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who have the 50,000 is the low candidate. 50,000 to 1 lakh is the medium candidate. 1 lakh is above 1 lakh is the excellent. Just click on the OK. You see this one. 7,000 is low. No amount. Low. This is the low. 1,25,000 is the excellent. $85,000 is the medium. 50,000 is the low. $2,70,000 he has the excellent. $75 is the medium. Surya, అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Yes.
Any confusion? Any confusions?
Not at the moment.
No, right? Okay. So you see this one, run report. Run report. Just click on the run report. Okay. This is the report. This is the report. Okay. Over 34 records. Okay. Then you will view. See, this is our reports.
Okay.
This is our report. Clear, right? If you want to modify anything else, just modify and click on the save. If you want to save the report, okay, just click on the save as report opportunity report opportunity report. See on which folder you want to save. My folder, Unified Public Reports or EDU. EDU service. Just click on the save. You go for the EDU, you see opportunity report. Clear, right? Surya and Melvin. Any doubts?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Again, go to the new report. Okay. Opportunities. New one. Create. All time. Okay. This is one. Next, go for the summary report. Next, go for the summary report. Okay. Summary report, what is the purpose? Grouping the records in row wise. Grouping the records in row wise, right?
Yep.
So I selected two records. Sorry, two rows. This is I selected in one. Group this field. Okay. Lead source. Group this field, and the amount. Group this field. You see this one. Lead source are the 8 records, and amount contains 2 records. Means this is the existing customer upgrade. Is the close loss and pending. See this one. These are the group onto this one record. Understand, right?
Yeah.
Just you understand about the what is the concept. Okay, they in the client they can given the every conditions. They can given the conditions. Okay, based on the conditions we can work on it.
Okay.
Based on the conditions we can work and we can process on it. Okay, but beyond the practice.
Okay.
You see this one. Automatically it can comes under this summary format. Automatically it comes into this summary format. Here I can change anything else. No, right? I can change anything else. But predefinedly it can be, if you want to modify the row wise, we can go for the summary report. If you want to modify the row wise and the column wise, automatically it can be changed as a matrix format. Format. Okay. Just save report. Save as a matrix report under EDU service. Just click on the save. Okay, run report. You can run on it. If you want to modify anything else, fiscal year, current fiscal year, if you want to this in 2019, Jan 1st to nowadays. Okay, there is run report. See, this is the 2019 to 2020 report. 2019 to 2020 report. Here you can mention on the fiscal year is of January 1st, 2019 to 31st December 2020. 31st December 2020. Okay. Clear, right? Custom, current physical year, previous 2 years, back 2 years physical year. Okay, 2 years ago. Okay, Surya, అర్థమవుతుందా? Don't worry about that. These all are things, bro. No confusions. Okay, just you understand what is the concept. You understand about the concept only. The stuff
Okay.
the client given. The client given. Okay, based on the requirement, you can work on it. Based on the requirement, you can work on it.
All right.
Next, go to the summary report. Go to the summary report. Sorry, matrix report. Matrix report. New report. Create. Okay. Here, opportunities. Create. Here, I taken the two fields. Here, I taken the two fields. Okay. One is the type, group the field, and second one is the stage. So now also group the field. Okay. So just go for the matrix form. You see this one? Existing customer, new customer record. Okay, this is the existing customer report, and this is the new customer report.
Okay.
Prospecting, qualification, value proposition, ID decisions. This is what yesterday I told you now. This is the sales process. This is the sales process. On the
Okay.
customer, our sales on the which stage? Is the initial stage, our value proposition stage, our proposal of price quotation stage, our
Yes.
negotiable stage, or our sales is gone. Our sales is done. Our sales is done means closed one.
Closed
Our
one.
sales is failed means closed lost.
Lost.
Closed lost. Okay. This is the row wise and this is the column wise. Row wise and the column wise. Surya, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yeah.
చెప్పు కరెక్ట్ గా క్లియర్ గా.
Yes.
So run report. See, this is a report. This is what our report.
Okay.
Okay, just click on the save report name, matrix report, EDU service. Just click on the save. If you want to download, you can download also. I already show you now.
Yeah.
Already show you. Okay, next go to the final one. That is a joint report. That is a joint report. Once again. Yeah. Okay. See, let's discuss on reports and report types. I created one more report type. Okay. On which report I will scroll on. Reports. Stored in category. It is the video solutions. The reports been deployed. Next. Take one. I created two report types. I created two report types.
Okay.
Okay. But here I can store with the account and contacts. Okay. Edit. Account and contacts. Okay. Surya, ఏం సమాధానం చెప్పట్లేదు.
Samadhan.
No answer. Answer. సమాధానం means answer.
Okay. Hey, Surya, don't sleep, man.
Surya, are you
Why,
feeling
man?
sleepy?
I
This
know
is
you're shutting your eyes. Huh?
Who?
You.
No, man. Night I slept at 3:30, man.
Okay.
Talking with girlfriends, not a girlfriend.
No
Girlfriends also
man.
don't speak
Girlfriends
nowadays.
nothing. They're also in Corona mode.
Corona.
Again, go to the reports and dashboards.
Okay.
New report. Accounts and contacts. Okay. Accounts and contacts. Here, you see this one? Account phone. Previously, I created account record type. I created now two record types. Account phone,
Yeah.
account industry. Okay. This one. Account phone. Create. Okay. This is the account. Here you can show the joined record. You see this one, joined. Join. Just click on the join. Just click on the join. Okay. Add report type. You see this one? Add report type.
Okay.
Add report type. Step accounts and contacts. Account industry. Just click on the. Just click on the. Okay. On the.
Okay.
Okay. Save. Join report. Store it in our folder. Clear, right?
Yes.
Have any doubts? Joint report, matrix report.
No.
Okay. Again, go to the reports. Yeah, 2 reports is there. You see this one? I open the matrix report. I open the matrix report. You see
Okay.
this one?
Mm-hmm.
Schedule future runs. Schedule future
Future.
runs. Okay. See, this is the running user. Who can run the user? Email report to me or some any others. Report to me. Okay. Any others like public groups or users. Public groups or users. Okay. See, schedule the report daily, weekly, monthly. Okay. Schedule the report in daily. Daily means every weekday or every day. Every weekday or every day. Saturday or Sunday or Monday to
Okay.
Friday. Or Monday to Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Weekly. On every week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Which day? Monthly. On day 1 to month. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, and last. Okay. And start. Where can we start and where can we end?
Okay.
Where can we start and where can we end? And save changes. Save and report notifications with the schedule or discard report modifications. If you want to save the report, just this one or otherwise discard. Okay. Just click on the save report schedule. Whatever we can give in the this schedule things, schedule time, it automatically to given the schedule. It automatically to given the schedule. Clear?
Yep.
Schedule reports. Schedule reports. In schedule reports, some scenarios we can using on it. Okay. But most probably we using on the tabular report, summary, and the matrix report. Some cases only we using on the joint reports. Joint reports. Okay. Surya, అర్థమైందా reports?
Yes.
Go to the dashboards. There is a D. You see this one, dashboard. Dashboards. Just click on it. Dashboards means it is a graphical representation. Graphical representation means pie charts or the graphs or the line bar. You see this one. These are the graphical representation. Graphical representation. If you see, for example, if you see in any matches, every over they given on the some bar chart are the graphical representation. In Sensex also they given for the graphical representation. You see it, right? Graphical representation.
Yes.
So in the graphical representation we can using on it. The graphical representation we can work on it. Okay. It is a data source means they have the visual for reports and the Visual Force pages. Visual Force pages and the reports. Whatever we using on these things, we can work on it. We can work on it. Okay. Just
Okay.
select the component. Okay. Just select the component. Okay. Data sources. You see this one? See, this is our graphical representation. Means this green color indicates the existing customer. This green color indicates the existing customer. This orange color indicates the new customer. In the pink color, purple color will be indicates the other users, and the blue color indicates the what is this one? I don't know. Some other scenario. You using on the okay. You see this one? Generally, you see this one. Y-axis and x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. In mathematical, we using on the y-axis and the x-axis. 8th class, 9th class, we using on the x-axis and the y-axis.
Yeah.
Are you boring?
No.
I hope
Bro, ఎప్పటి వరకు బ్రో
Surya,
క్లాస్?
huh?
ఎప్పటి వరకు క్లాస్?
అయిపోయింది. నేను బోర్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావా?
ఏ లేదు బ్రో, అసలు నేను నిద్రపోలే. పొద్దున నేను అదొకటి అప్లై చేసిన, ఇంకా అసలు నిద్రనే లేదు.
అవునా, సరే ఇదే లాస్ట్ అయిపోయింది. అడ్మిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయితే అయిపోయింది. జస్ట్ నార్మల్ గా వాట్ ఈస్ ద డాష్ బోర్డ్స్ అండ్ వై వి యూజింగ్ ఆన్ ద డాష్ బోర్డ్స్. First of all, you create the reports. After the reports, you want to display any graphical. Okay, be using on these components. Okay, based on the client requirement, we using on these components.
ఓకే.
Okay, in the data source contains has our custom reports and the Visual Force pages. Okay, based on the things we can drag on it. Just use the component. Just use on this component and just drag on our report. This is called as a dashboards. This is called as a dashboards. Reports and the dashboards.
ఓకే.
See this one. Sorry, this one. The label ascending or the descending, and value ascending or value descending. Based on the scenarios, we can using only. Based on the scenarios, we can work. Clear, right?
యా.
Any doubts? Melvin and Surya. No doubts, right?
No.
Tomorrow we're going on the real time in the practical sessions. Sorry, not practical sessions, in the coding session. Sorry, the coding session. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yeah, fine. Bye, Melvin. Have a nice day. Bye, Surya. Enjoy the school.
Bye.
Me also.